Hi, I'm Peter Matthews, Conference Director for Firehouse Expo. We're here today in Columbus, and we're here with Gil Valentin from BrinkAlert. Gil, thanks for joining us today. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. Thank you for having me. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at BrinkAlert. My role or my responsibilities are all sales activities. That includes initiatives, strategies, implementing them to increase sales and growth of the company.
Okay. So we're excited to learn a little bit more about BrinkAlert. You guys bring a great solution to the fire service to prevent injuries, to prevent expensive damage to fire apparatus and fire stations. So can you tell us a little bit about what you do?
Absolutely. So we manufacture LED safety light systems for commercial garage doors, loading docks, warehouses. We create or we develop a system that communicates to those around the door that the door is safe to proceed or not safe to proceed.
Okay. And so can you tell us how fire departments are using this? Can you show us how the system works?
Absolutely. So we wire our system into the door operator. And when the door is fully closed, our light system is going to show a solid red. When the door is in motion, either opening or closing, our light system will go a flashing red. And when the door is fully open, it will go to a solid green. So this indicates that the door is safe and the truck can proceed or the pedestrian can proceed through the door. We also have a pre-announce feature. The pre-announce feature will flash amber for about 5 seconds, indicating that the door is just about to come down. So those around, it's a warning light for those around the door. Once that time is up, the light system will do the flashing red as the door comes down. And once it hits the ground, it'll give you the solid red. Door is fully closed.
Excellent. And that's great. Again, you're looking at the picture here and some of the case studies that we've seen, unfortunately it happens quite often.
That's
so
right.
Very easy in the heat of the moment, trying to get turned out in time and get to the scene, remember the address, remember how to get there. Having that little indicator will certainly save some money and some injuries.
Absolutely.
So tell us, some of the departments you've worked with, what are they seeing so far?
Yeah, so we've worked with Broward Fire Department in our own backyard.
Okay.
They've actually seen great results of this since they've installed our light system. I think that was one of their greater complaints when they first reached out to us. They were having accidents, injuries, and they were trying to avoid these accidents.
Okay.
So, we recommended our light system, and hearing back from them after installation, we have had great feedback. Just that communication from the light system to those around the door, the fire truck, the pedestrians walking around the door. So it's been a great success.
Okay, great. That's great news. And then for a department who's about to build a new fire station or a fire station who's looking to get it into their existing building, what steps do they need to take and how easy is it to put into a building?
Absolutely. It's the installation is pretty straightforward, very easy to do. We do help out with all of that. We provide wiring schematics, installation manual, so we do help with that.
Okay.
We do work directly with door dealers across the country. We work directly with fire stations, and we also work with architects around the country. So that way they'll spec in the light system into their new firehouses.
Okay, all right. Well, Gil, thanks so much for joining us today. We're going to put the website address right here for some more information. And again, thanks. We're looking forward to seeing this installed in more stations across the country.
Great. Thank you. Thank you for having me.